Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at the RAM Custom Cradle for the second, third, and fourth generation Apple iPad. This is the RAM-HOL-AP15. Again, this cradle is for the iPad 2, 3, or 4. It will not hold the Apple iPad Air. It also will not hold the first generation original Apple iPad. This cradle is the replacement for the RAM-HOL-AP8. This cradle was designed for that first generation original iPad, but it can be modified for use with later generations. I will do a video that compares these two tablet cradles, but for now, I just want to tell you that if you do have the 2, 3, or 4 iPad, this AP15 is going to be a better choice for you. So looking here at the back of this cradle, we do have these two round hole patterns. We have one here at the bottom, one over here on the side. Those are there to accommodate this piece, which is a RAM-B-202 round plate with 1-inch ball. This plate will attach to the back of your cradle. You can attach it in either location, and from there you can build out the rest of your mount. Use this with an arm and with a base. Just note that this plate does not come with the purchase of the cradle. You have to buy this separately or as part of a bundle, but the cradle does come with hardware to attach this plate to the back. So now we're ready to use this with our iPad. This is the third generation Apple iPad that I have here. Keep in mind, though, that this cradle will not hold your iPad if it is in a protective case. It has to be just the iPad like this one. So I can start by dropping the bottom into the cradle first. You can see it sit down there at the base. Now I have this tab on top, so I can just lift that over the top of the iPad, push the iPad in underneath it, and that is going to create a secure fit in the cradle. With the iPad in the cradle, I still have access to everything I need. So there I have my headphone jack, my power button, camera lens, volume control. I can still get to my power connector down here at the bottom, and that'll work, of course, with either the 30-pin or the Lightning connector, depending on which iPad you have. Going to be just as easy to remove it. You just have to lift up that tab and pull the iPad out from underneath it. I did have one other AP15 cradle that I wanted to show you here today. This one, I've taken that 1-inch ball and I've attached it to the back of the cradle. So now I'm ready to use this with some other RAM mounting components. So what I can do is take my mounting base, like this suction cup, get that down on the table here. I can take my arm. This is a standard length B-socket arm. Once again, drop my iPad into the cradle. And now get that ball on the back of the cradle into the open socket of the RAM arm. From here, I can make adjustments to it. I can go portrait or I can go landscape. I can position my iPad however I want. When I'm happy with the positioning, I just need to tighten up that knob on the side of the arm. So that is a quick look at the RAM Mounts Custom Cradle for the second, third, and fourth generation Apple iPad. This is the RAM-HOL-AP15.